Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things financial. In today's video, we're going to talk about how one guy makes $4,000 a month selling used books. Charlie William is a master deal hunter who has become a master book flipper, selling more than $9,000 worth of used books last month on Amazon. He uses Scout IQ, an app that scans book barcodes and tells you how much that book is selling for on Amazon. The live version costs $14 per month, while the database version costs $44 per month. Charlie has invested in a few tools to scale up his business and process items faster. These include AccelerList, Inventory Lab, Bluetooth barcode scanner, and a label printer. He has found profitable books to sell at local Goodwill stores, library sales, yard sales, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp.com, Nextdoor, and other local classifieds and selling apps, sites. His favorite niches are educational books, religion, arts and crafts, sheet music, and non-fiction books. He also finds college textbooks for sale at the end of each semester and contacts the student online, makes an offer, and will have the books on his doorstep by the time he gets home. The most important details in this text are how to make money in college, how to deal with competitors selling the same books, and how to determine which books to buy to flip. The software Charlie uses automatically prices up his books to match the lowest prime offer for the same item on Amazon, and he relies mostly on triggers built into the Scout IQ scanning app to tell him if a book is worth reselling on Amazon or not. The app will either tell him to accept or reject a book when he scans it based on e-score, sales rank, and profit. Charlie said not to be discouraged if he doesn't find a book to resell in his first few scans, as most books are not worth selling on Amazon. He typically spends around $1 to $2 per book, and has seen them sell for as much as $154. He also uses an app like Hurdler to automatically track his mileage and find tax deductions. Charlie uses Amazon's FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, service to package up all his books in one big box, prints a label, and sends it off to one of Amazon's distribution warehouses. He has also bought books off Amazon from merchant-fulfilled sellers and flipped them for a profit. Book flipping, shipping, and logistics books can get heavy, but once you get the hang of boxing and shipping them, it's quick and easy to do. Charlie is a thrift store owner who flips books for profit. He has done around $9,000 last month in gross sales and a 40% net profit. Amazon's fees take the largest piece of the pie, accounting for around 50% of the sale price. Charlie is pursuing consignment deals with some of his best sourcing spots to maximize his profits. He has seen some books on Amazon being sold by Goodwill, but he doesn't think they will start selling their books on Amazon anytime soon. Charlie is a book flipper who sells his inventory on Amazon and shares a portion of the proceeds with the store. He spends 1 to 2 hours a day scanning books in stores 4 to 5 days a week and goes out of his way to find large book sales. He also carries $10 Starbucks gift cards around to thank thrift store employees. After sourcing the inventory, it is a matter of listing those items on Amazon and shipping them in. Charlie has plans to go bigger and better on his book flipping business this year by getting some capital together to lease some warehouse space and shipping in pallets of books to flip at a time. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video.